Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to draw eyes with soft pastels. So I will teach you the easiest way to draw eyes with these soft pastel colors. Let's get started. Before that, I would like to request you all, if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe and watch this video till the end because I will tell some tips to you all which will be very helpful in using soft pastels. So we are going to use these soft pastel which is from Camlin. It comes in 20 shades. Let's open it. So these are the colors, and for the sheet we are going to use this craft sketch pad. Also you can use any of the sheet which is available to you, but I am using this craft sketch pad because its sheet are little rough, which is very good for these soft pastels. So first we will draw the outline of the eyes with this Camlin pencil. Now let's draw the outline of the eyes. I have really sweaty hands, so it's compulsory for me to wear these gloves. Now let's draw the eyes. So yes, I have completed the outline of the eyes. If you are feeling it's too dark, then you can use a kneadable eraser and just rub it off like this. Now it's fine. Let's start coloring it. So for color, you have to look at the reference, or you can use your imagination also. Now let's start doing the base layer of these eyes. So I am going to use this skin color which is available in this palette. So we are going to shade it with light hand, and we are going to shade it all over the eyes except the iris. So now the base layer is completed. Now let's blend it. People like me who have sweaty hands cannot blend with your finger, so you can use a tissue paper instead. Now let's grab a small piece of tissue paper and roll it around your finger and then blend it out. Blend it smoothly. As you have seen, we are done with the base layer. Now let's grab this orange shade which is available in this palette, and let's start coloring in this crease line. Now again take the tissue paper and blend it. Leave these corners Now we will grab this brown color, it is light brown, and then start again with the crease line. Look at the reference and see where are the darkest area. Then do this color on the darkest area in the reference. Now let's grab the darker color, which is this brown. Firstly, we will concentrate on the base layers, which is the skin. Again, mark the darkest area in this picture. Now let's color inside the eyes. For iris, we will take this light blue color. Now make thin lines with this blue color. Grab a white color and just make highlight over this area and this area. Now grab black color and mark this pupil. Now let's grab this dark brown color and do the outline of these eyes. Now take this color and go in the lower part of this eyes. Now make this corners over here. Do with this dark color. Take the skin shade again and go over this area. Let's take this pink shade and draw a very thin line over here. Let's take this light blue color and just go over with light hands in this area. Do it lightly, just a small amount of light blue color, and then take a tissue paper and blend it. Now let's take this brown color and add darker areas over this side. Blend it with the tissue paper. Let's take this color . Now we will grab white color and just give a highlight over the inner corners of the eyes. Now it's looking fine. Let's take this dark brown color . Let's grab this black color and draw the details in the iris, observing your reference. A tip for you, if you are not getting highlights with this white color, then you can use these jelly roll white pen. So I am going to use this in number 0.8. Let's make highlight in this area. Okay, let's use 10 number pen. Let's make highlight in this corners. As you can see, the highlights are done. The lashes of the eyes. So it is difficult for me to draw lashes with this soft pastel. So here I am going to use a black sketch pen. So I am going to use this sketch pen for making the lashes. But you have to be careful. Now let's just make this area a little bit thick from beginning. I don't know why the sketch color stopped working. Lower lashes. Now make the lower lashes. Isn't it looking pretty? Now let's grab this black color and just fill the area over the lashes. It will look more realistic, so this is also a tip for you all. Also, the second tip is that you can use a cotton bud instead of this tissue paper. Also, you can make some highlights over this part as well, over this part, inside this. Along these eyelashes, it will look more realistic. Also, you can give highlights over this area also. Also do one thing, grab this black color and give a light shade over this area. The next tip for you all is that you have to complete the base layer or the skin area before doing the lashes. Always remember to do the lashes at last. Also, the second tip is that you can use a cotton bud instead of this. Here's a tip for how to preserve or secure soft pastel sketch. You can use this fixative. You can spray this over the sketch and it will not smudge. Eyes are looking beautiful. It is completed. You can also recreate it and just tag me on Instagram. I will see it and also give a shout out to you all on my Instagram story. I have also drawn these two eyes here. You can see how beautiful they are looking. So with soft pastels you can make a work very realistic. Make more eyes over this page. You can see the complete work on my Instagram page. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So yes, this was the tutorial for how to draw eyes with soft pastels. If you recreate this, then please do share it on my Instagram page. I will share the link in the description box. Subscribe to my channel and have a nice day. Bye.